Let us go through page 23 of your textbook. Open page 23. Periods and electronic configuration. Let's have one more look at the modern periodic table. Refer to table 2.7 in your textbook. This is the first period, which contains hydrogen and helium, only two elements. This is the second period, which begins with lithium, beryllium, boron, so on up to neon. It contains 8 elements. This is the third period, which begins with sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and argon. So what we are going to have a look at is the elements in a particular period and their electronic configuration. So we'll have a look at second period: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Okay. Can you tell? On going through the modern periodic table, it is seen that the elements lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, this is fluorine, and neon belong to the period 2. Write down the electronic configuration of all of them. So we'll have a look at period 2. This is lithium. I'll list all the elements first. Okay. Lithium, atomic number is 3, so the configuration will be 2,1. Beryllium, atomic number is 4, so configuration will be 2,2. Boron, atomic number 5, configuration will be 2,3. Then this carbon, what it should be? 2,4. 2,5. Oxygen 2,6. Fluorine 2,7. Neon 2,8. Okay. Number of valence electrons same for all these elements. सगळ्या एलिमेंट्स मध्ये व्हॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स सेम आहेत का? व्हॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन द आउटरमोस्ट शेल. So here we can see lithium has only one valence electron, beryllium has 2, boron has 3, carbon has 4, and so on. So is the number of valence electrons same? No, it is not. No, the number of valence electrons is not the same for all these elements. Is the number of shells the same in these? Shells ची संख्या सेम आहे का? तर आहे असं दिसतंय. This contains 2 shells, 2 shells, 2 shells. So we can say that all of them contain 2 shells. Is the number of shells same? Yes, the number of shells is the same in all these elements. You will find that the number of valence electrons is different in these elements. या elements मध्ये valence electrons जे आहेत ते different आहेत. I have written the electronic configurations for your convenience. The number of valence electrons is not the same, they are different. So within a particular period, the number of valence electrons is always different. However, the number of shells is the same. मात्र त्यातली शेल्सची संख्या ही सेमच असते. म्हणजे एका पर्टिक्युलर पिरियडमध्ये as we move from left to right, the number of valence electrons keeps changing. It keeps on increasing. However, the number of shells remains the same. You will also find that while going from left to right within the period, the atomic number increases by one at a time. The number of valence electrons also increases by one at a time. आपण एखाद्या पिरियडमध्ये असं लेफ्ट टू राईट जावं. ॲज वी मूव्ह फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राईट इन अ पर्टिक्युलर पिरियड, द ॲटॉमिक नंबर गोज ऑन इन्क्रीजिंग. लिथियमचा ॲटॉमिक नंबर 3 आहे, बेरिलियमचा 4 आहे, बोरॉनचा 5 आहे. ॲटॉमिक नंबर वाढत जातो एक एकनी. आणि तसा व्हॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन म्हणजे आउटरमोस्ट शेलमधले इलेक्ट्रॉन सुद्धा एक एकनी वाढत जातात. दे ऑल्सो गो ऑन इन्क्रीजिंग बाय वन ॲट अ टाइम. So that's about this, I guess. Here is a trivia for you. The element mendelevium, atomic number 101, is named to honor Dmitry Mendeleev. मेंडेलिव्ह ज्याने पहिलं पिरियॉडिक टेबल तयार केलं त्याचा सन्मान करण्यासाठी एका एलिमेंटला त्याचं नाव दिलं आहे. द एलिमेंट वॉज फर्स्ट सिंथेसाइज्ड इन 1955. हे 1955 पहिल्यांदा सिंथेसाइज केलं होतं. सिंथेसाइज म्हणजे लॅबमध्ये तयार केलं कृत्रिम रीतीने. दॅट इज नॉन एज सिंथेसाइज्ड. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Bye.